What you doing, baby?
Working hard. Okay, so here's the method of this. I forgot to call you in here when I started doing these, but I gotta make a well, a deep well down in this. I gotta make a deep well down in this cookie. This ball of dough.
Okay.
And take a 1/4 teaspoon of this stuff. Got in that. And then
what is that?
powdered sugar and crushed peppermint. And then when they come out of the oven, I gotta put more. Roll them in that again. Here's these.
What is this?
Brownie, cream cheese dough mixture, and then a peanut butter ball in the center. We're going to top it with chocolate frosting, and then the kids are going to come behind with little sticks of frosting and decorate them. At least these percent.
Nice. Talk about time consuming. What's in that bowl there?
That's the filling. It's cream cheese, milk, powdered sugar, red food coloring, and peppermint. Crushed up peppermint.
Wow. This is really time consuming.
Yes, yes it is. Dough. Freaking crumbly.
I don't know how you can do this half the time. I mean, it's like a cook, like an actual full-fledged cook.
It's enjoyable.
Yeah. Really?
Yep. And I did time-consuming, tedious stuff. I probably still would if the kitchen was big enough. I love eggs. Disgusting.
What?
I'm on the tab. When I look at the camera, you're supposed to come down.
Honey? Fine.